Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I present you BeyondScene. This is a very new project which is still evolving, and in this video we are going to have a look at how it works. BeyondScene is a new framework capable of generating high-resolution human-centric scenes with exceptional text-image correspondence, resolving artifacts beyond the token limits and beyond the training image size. Let me show you few of the examples from their project page. For instance, look at this. In this diagram, they have just given a prompt and then the model has generated 8192 by 8192 image in a very vivid scenery. And you can dissect it into different components and then you can marvel at the quality of image generated. Also, they have shared various other examples in synthesized way. Look at this, for example. Now, this model overcomes limitations in generating complex human-centric scenes with detailed controls. And in every diagram, you will see humans in different poses and all AI generated. What they are trying to do is that there shouldn't be any disjointed limbs, the quality should be realistic and that sort of stuff. Because if you look at the previous works, not only the limbs are having an issue, there are a lot of other issues with human-centric images, but this BeyondScene tries to overcome that. This achieves through a new two-stage process, first creating a low-resolution base focusing on key elements, then progressively refining it with high-resolution details. This method has already surpassed existing methods in generating high-fidelity scenes with control over human characteristics and numbers while maintaining naturalness and reducing artifacts. If you look at this diagram, this tells you the whole story in one picture. BeyondScene generates high resolution images in these two stages. First, individual instances are created using pose guided T2I diffusion models, segmented, cropped, and placed onto an in painted background. The tone of image is then normalized, and then if you see in the second stage, this base image is progressively enlarged while maintaining detail and quality, effectively refining the image and adding further details, leveraging high frequency, injected forward diffusion, and adaptive joint diffusion. Generating high resolution human centric scenes with details and control remain a challenge for existing text to image diffusion models. This challenge stems from limited training image size, text encoder capacity, and the inherent difficulty of generating complex scenes involving multiple humans. While current methods attempt to address training size limit only, they often produce human centric scenes with severe artifacts, as I mentioned earlier. And this is where BeyondScene helps because it overcomes prior limitations, generating exquisite higher resolution over 8K human centric scenes with exceptional text image correspondence and naturalness using existing pre trained diffusion models. Now, as I mentioned earlier, it employs a staged, which we already have seen, and hierarchical approach to initially generate a detailed base image focusing on crucial elements in instance. And if you look at this diagram, this is another way of looking at it, where their instance aware hierarchical enlargement involves two crucial processes. First, high frequency injected forward diffusion, which enables to achieve high resolution through a joint diffusion employing adaptive pixel perturbation, and then secondly adaptive joint diffusion, which dynamically regulating stride and conditioning of pose and text based on the presence of instances. They also have a GitHub repo, but they haven't released the code yet because it is very new, just released, and they are presenting it very soon, and then they will be putting in the code here, and then I will get it installed locally and show you how it works. So all in all, a really exciting project, I would say, because not only it is a novel framework but also seems realistic. And if you look at few other examples such as this one, you would see that looks so realistic. And in most of the cases where they are comparing with STXL, with sync diffusion, T2 adapter Their image generated, this one in your at your screen at the moment, is simply awesome, and it achieves this through a new two-stage process, as we know earlier, and this has already surpassed existing methods in a style. So I believe that not only this is going to be really cool when they released the code, and then it would be really good if it would be Apache 2 based open source so that we could use it easily. That's it, guys. I'm going to drop the link to this project page in video's description. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.